Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add closed captions in CapCut app on your smartphone. Closed captions are a great way to make your videos more accessible and engaging. It's a very simple process, so I'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and download the CapCut app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the New Project button. This will prompt you to select the video from your device. Now select the video you want to add closed captions to from your gallery. Once you select the video, tap on Add to import it to the CapCut. Now it's time to add the text layer for your captions. Here you can see the text option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Text and then select Add Text. You can type the caption now. You can adjust the text. You can add different fonts. I'll select this one. You can even add different effects, animations, styles and everything. You can just explore through it. Once you select everything, tap on the tick icon. You can drag the text layer on the timeline to align it with your corresponding part of your video so that it'll be synced with the voiceover. Now let's play it. Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Okay, perfect. You can make necessary adjustments to the text or the timing to ensure everything is perfect. And once you're satisfied with your captions, it's now time to export your video. Here you can see the export icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And there you have it. You've successfully added closed captions to your video using CapCut on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.